I figured do a little cold start on this and start just like in a week, so who knows what this wants to do today. La di da di da 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 di da dee.
I think I hear your mom calling me.
Yo, Tractor Supply, I'm looking for some sponsors, man. Still got an exhaust leak. I'll get to it one day. Watch out for the dog poop. Yeah, I mean, this truck definitely had a repaint. You can see it's 2 different colors. The factory color was crazy. I love the. Yeah, a lot of people were telling us it's a 351M in there. No, it ain't. You don't know anything. Have a good day. For everybody else, yeah, $1,500 truck. Not too shabby. Alright, y'all. There's a couple for you. We're working on Farm Boy here today and see what I can do with this old thing. Hopefully, I'd like to get this thing driving this weekend. So, have a good Friday.